Chicken Doner Kebab. Ingredients: 1 kilogram, 2 pounds chicken thighs, skinless and boneless. Note 1. Olive oil, for drizzling. Marinade. 1 cup plain yogurt, unsweetened, I use Greek. 3 garlic cloves minced. 1½ teaspoon coriander powder. 2 teaspoons cumin powder. 2 teaspoons paprika. 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. 1½ teaspoon onion powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 2½ tablespoons tomato paste. 1½ teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons olive oil. For serving, choose Lebanese bread, flatbreads, pita bread, warmed. Finely sliced iceberg lettuce. Tomato slices. Hummus, or Note 2 for simple yogurt sauce. Tabbouleh, optional. Note 3. Red onion slices. Grated cheese. Chili sauce, I use Sriracha, it's perfect. Mejadra, Middle Eastern rice with lentils, for kebab plate. Directions: mix marinade in a large bowl. Add chicken and mix to coat well. Cover and marinate in the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours. 24 hours is ideal. If only 3 hours, add an extra half a teaspoon salt. Preheat oven to 220 C, 430 F. Choose a pan of a size such that the skewers will stay propped up on the pan walls, see photos in post or video, and the chicken will be elevated off the base. Line with foil. Remove chicken from fridge. Divide the chicken into 2 piles. Take 1 piece of chicken, fold in half, then thread onto 2 skewers. Repeat and push the chicken snugly up against each other. Repeat with other skewer. Prop the 2 skewers on the edges of the baking pan. Drizzle surface with oil. Bake for 35 minutes or until the surface is golden with some charred bits. Spoon the pan juices over the chicken. Then turn, drizzle with oil and bake for 20 minutes, or 25 to 30 minutes if you had large thighs. If you want more color, switch to grill, broil for a few minutes on high dash. Baste again with pan juices and stand for 5 minutes. Carving, stand the skewers upright or on an angle, and slice meat fairly thinly. Used to make doner kebabs or kebab plates. Doner kebabs. Place a Lebanese bread, or pita bread or other flatbread, on a piece of foil. Spread with a generous dollop of hummus. Top with shredded lettuce, slices of tomato, tabbouleh, cheese and chicken. Drizzle with chili sauce if desired. Roll up tightly and wrap in foil. Consume and be happy. Kebab plates. Serve chicken with Mejadra, Middle Eastern spiced rice with lentils, shredded lettuce, tomatoes, slices of red onion, tabbouleh, dollop of hummus. Optional to serve flatbread, Lebanese bread on the side.